What I have here is an air conditioning pad. Now, if you think about it, if you're doing a mini split or if you're doing a big condenser outside your house or your business, you have to put them on a pad. This is a Cambridge, and these are incredibly well built. Look at the back of this. You see all those squares? Those are all supports that give this rigidity. These are thick enough that you can drill them. So if you're doing a mini split, you're going to have some legs and you can literally drill those into the pad. It is that strong. It helps reduce vibration, absorbs some noise. This one is 3 inches tall. They make them 18 wide, 30 wide, 32 wide, and 36. This one's 38 long. So this pad here for a split system, 18 wide, 38 long, 3 inches high. If you're getting into some of the square AC traditional types, 30 by 30, 32 by 32, 36 by 36. You can get it in this gray color, which kind of matches the concrete, or you can get it in graphite, more of a black. But it's got substantial weight, substantial strength, easy to move around. It's just a great overall product. You got to remember, if you're doing an air conditioning system, you got to put it on a base. If you don't want to pour a bunch of concrete, take a look at this brand here, Cambridge. They make quite a heavy-duty pad.